making an egg boil. I'm gonna do an egg fast, which is like, you just eat eggs for like 3 days or something. So we're gonna start with an egg boil. But I'm not hard boiling the eggs. I already bought them because I don't have time. There's just no time. You're gonna need to chop an onion. Okay, Bluey is on one, so if you hear him crazy in the background, that's why. We're gonna make the sauce. Yeah. Yeah. You don't have to participate. I like my onions pretty big. So I'm not really, it doesn't matter, like to me, how big they are. Ooh, my mouth is already watering. Okay. That's good enough. You're gonna wanna get butter, minced garlic, and some chicken broth. I probably should have said that in the beginning, but I just can't even think straight because I'm like really excited. Boy, now! Now! Get out of there. Go away. Go. You can sit there if you don't eat the butter. I don't care. You can't have the butter. No. Sorry. Sorry, but no. I don't really know how to like use this stove. This is only for me, so it's okay that I'm licking the utensils. I like a lot of garlic. Yeah. With the chicken broth, I don't know how much you're supposed to add. I just do however much. Like just eyeball it, I guess. Also don't have lemon. I fucking thought I had Old Bay. I don't. I almost bought it at the store. I'm pissed I didn't. And then, oh, and I don't have sugar, but I don't ever really use sugar anyways, so whatever. Some cayenne pepper. I just eyeball it. Garlic powder. Crushed red peppers. Some lemon pepper. Some slap yamama. Paprika. Okay, I can't get my chili powder and my freaking onion powder open. Oh, I got it. Okay, we'll add onion powder and chili powder. Chili flakes. I mean, parsley. Add a little bit more chicken broth. Because it's like not soupy enough for me. Your eggs in a bowl, and then you're gonna put holes in the egg, like with a fork. And the juices can get inside the egg. And then it's extra good. Now test the sauce. It's good. I wish I had some Old Bay because that would fucking bring it together, but it's pretty damn good without it. This is what she looks like, finished product. Go to part 2 to watch me eat this beauty. Love you guys.